Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. On this channel I teach practical skills that you can use to make money, grow your brand or expand your business. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like and share and follow me for more business tips. I am Lawal Kudirat. Are you a new business owner? This video is for you. I'm going to show you how to design high converting marketing flyers for your new business on your phone, so you can save money on designing and make your brand look premium. Yes, you heard me. It will make your brand look premium. Now let's go. Let's get started. Now we are in ChatGPT. We are going to use ChatGPT to design our flyer. We are going to give ChatGPT instruction on what we want ChatGPT to do for us. The most important thing in the information that we are going to give to ChatGPT is your brand name, your brand color, your mobile number, your contact address, then call to action, and if there's any other vital information that you want it to appear in the flyer, you give it to ChatGPT to generate the prompts. Now after that, click on the arrow sign here. This is the prompt that ChatGPT generated for us. What we are going to do next is to copy the prompts that ChatGPT generated by pressing on it, long press on it, then click on select all, then click on copy, then bring it back to this place where we have plus sign, where they wrote reply to ChatGPT. Place the prompt there and paste it there. Look at the necessary correction that you want to make there. Check what you did not put right. Check the mistake that ChatGPT has written. Then you put it in order. Once all that is done, press on create. Wow, this is lovely. Can you see it? Look at the brand color, pink, black and gold. Look at the way it arranged it. And this is the niche that I asked ChatGPT to print for me. Don't forget to put your niche, because it's going to work on your niche. Then the next thing is press the flyer, then click on save. Yeah, you save it. You can start using it anywhere, in any app, in any social media that you want to use it. Can we try another one? Which niche do we try? Let's try another one. Which niche do we go for? Okay, makeup and gele. Fine, makeup and gele. Don't forget, when you are creating your flyer, you have to put the niche, the brand name, the brand color, call to action, your mobile number, your contact address and your social media address if you want to. Then give ChatGPT instruction and it will generate it for you. So easy. So let's create another flyers. It has generated the prompts again. So the next thing is to copy the prompts, make necessary correction, paste it back to generate the flyer. Super simple. Long press on it, click on select all, click on copy, bring it back here, paste it back here, paste, then do the necessary correction. Very beautiful. Look at this, guys. When you want to take your money, go give graphic design. May do this thing for you now. See, when you fit down for your phone, I beg, rate this job. Look at this. This one is for hair. This one is for the people in the hair niche, wave on, woman's hair. But this one is for the people that are in makeup and gele niche. So you can adjust it to your own taste. You can adjust it to your own brand. This is a sample of how you can do it, and you can correct as many things that you want to correct. If the flyer is not coming out well, you want makeup to be arranged there, put makeup necessary that you want to be arranged. Look at the flyer, so beautiful, super beautiful and super easy. The next thing is press here, click on save to save it to your gallery and start sharing it for your business. You have another design. I requested for another design, so which one will you prefer? So you choose out of the two and copy it to your phone and start using it. Press on it, click on save, and it has already saved to your gallery. Thank you so much, guys. If you have watched to this level, I really appreciate you. Thank you. I remain your host, Lawal Kudirat. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share to follow me for more business tips. Bye bye.